graders, welcome to a new topic. Today we are going to start a new topic, topic 15, geometry. So, this is what we're going to be dealing with. We're going to have fun learning about shapes, and we're going to have plane shapes like you see them. Plane shape is a flat shape, and we have solid figures. A solid figure is a shape that takes up space. So this will be like the flat shapes, and then we have the solid figure will be shapes like that. I like that. All right. So let's see. You're gonna have fun with this activity. You can, the usual, play games in the back here. And then the idea is that we see shapes all around us. So for example, if you look at the house here, you can say that I see the window like a circle, I can see the door like a rectangle, I can see bushes around the circles. So these are the shapes. So you can have fun and recognize the shape and play this activity. Okay? Again, we have the plane shapes, the flat shapes, and then we have the solid figures, the shapes that take place, and then we have something called vertex or vertices, which is the corner, like here. This is a corner, or over here. Vertices. All right. Let's start with lesson 1. All right, identifying plane shapes. So as we say, shapes can be in anything. So over here, if I click the button, what can we see? This is very good, circle. So we need to write the word circle. And then draw this object. So I'm gonna draw my button. And then over here, if I look at the cube or block, it's square. So I'm gonna draw it first square, and then I'm gonna write the word square. All right, that sign, yield sign, I know what shape is this. Very good, triangle. So it can be this way or the opposite. So either or, this is triangle, so we need to draw it, and then we're gonna write the word triangle. And then this looks like very good rectangle. So rectangle can be like this, two sides and two sides, two facing each other same length, into the other two sides facing each other same length, or it can be this way. Either or, this is rectangle, so we're gonna write down here. All right, so this button with a circle, that block is a square, and then I see that yield sign is a triangle, and then this is rectangle. All right, so today the words we're learning is plane shapes, and we're gonna learn more shapes on the bottom inside the page 472. All right, so let's see what we have. So two-dimension shapes are plane shapes. As we say, these are plane shapes. Plane shapes are flat shapes. So we have triangle, we have circle, we have hexagon. Hexagon means 6 sides, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, hexagon. And then we have trapezoid. Trapezoid, we have 2 sides, same length, and then one is shorter than the other. And then we have the rectangle, and then we have square. So these are the plane shapes. Again, triangle, circle, hexagon, trapezoid, rectangle, and square. Let's see at the pictures we have here. You can see plane shapes and solid objects. So for example, look at the juice box. If you look at one side, the flat surface, that will be rectangle. Very good. And if I have the drum and I look from the top, that flat surface up there, it's a circle. And then if I look at the block, square. All right, let's see what we have here. This is, you're gonna have fun. So what you need to look at the shape and circle it. All right, color the shapes that are circles. One is colored for you. So look at the shapes here. If you spot circles and number one, you need to color it. So one is done for you. So this is circle. Do we see it are circles? Very good. So this also gonna be colored. So use your colors and color any color you like. So this is circle shape. Circle. Number two, color the shapes that are trapezoids. Trapezoids. Take your time. These words are new, but we're gonna be using it till we finish this topic. So you will be easily repeating and saying it. Trapezoid. So color the shapes that are trapezoids up here. So I'm looking for something like that. I have one here, so this is would be colored. This is circle, trapezoid, this would be colored. Triangle, circle, square, hexagon, trapezoid. So 3 trapezoid need to be colored. Use any color, have fun. Okay, let's go for number 3. Color the shapes that are triangles. I know my triangles. 3 sides. So we color all the triangles. This is one. You're gonna color this. This is a triangle? Yes, it is. Do you see triangles here? Yes, I see one and I see one. So we have 4 triangles in box number 3. All right. Now question number 4. Color the shapes that are rectangles. Rectangles. Remember when we say rectangles can be this way or this way. So this is a rectangle and this is a rectangle. Very good. Let's see if you understand. Do you understand? Is this shape a hexagon? Explain. This is a hexagon. Remember how many sides in hexagon? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? How many sides for this shape? 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 4 sides are the same length. So that will be the squares. 4 sides are the same length. So this is not a hexagon, this is a square. So what I'm gonna say, this shape a hexagon, explain. I will say no. Why not? Because a hexagon has, how many we said? How many sides? 6. Very good. Hexagon has 6 sides. Awesome. Let's go for next page, 473, independent practice. These are the words that new for us. Plane shapes, hexagon, and trapezoid. Because we know square, rectangle, circle, but the new shapes or the new words, we have hexagon and we have trapezoid. All right? So let's see what we have. Number 5, draw a square. I know square means 4 sides are the same length. So I'm gonna draw a square. Draw a trapezoid. I know this is the new shape, trapezoid, and I know that I have the top small, the sides are the same, and the bottom is longer. So it's a trapezoid. Take your time. I know you need to practice to be able to do it, but you can do it. Draw a rectangle. I know this is my rectangle. There are two sides facing each other the same length, and the other two sides will face each other the same length. So that will be my rectangle. And then draw a hexagon. I know hexagon over there. This is a new shape I learned today, a new word, and I know it has 6 sides. So we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hexagon. Awesome. Let's go for number 9. Spatial thinking. Color 1 circle, 2 triangles, 3 squares, and 4 rectangles in the solid objects below. Use different colors. Very good. So have fun. We need 1 circle. So we're going to color 1 circle. So let's have fun and do this together. Okay, so I'm gonna look for 1 circle. Let's say I'm gonna color my circle red. So that's what I'm gonna have fun and color 1 circle red. So that's my circle. Right, 1 circle. Then 2 triangles. I'm looking for 2 triangles. All right, color the triangles green. So this is 1. And this is another. So we have 2 triangles. You can use any colors. You don't have to do the pattern I'm using. You can use whatever you like. All right, 3 squares. Okay, 3 squares. I'm gonna take purple. 3 squares. So I see 1 square. This is my second square. And this is the third square. So 1, 2, 3. 3 squares. And then 4 rectangles. 4 rectangles. I'm gonna use yellow. So I'm gonna color 4 rectangles. That's 1 rectangle. That's another one. And that's number 3. And this is number 4, because you need 4 rectangles. And these are my 4 rectangles. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is my 1 circle. This is my 3 square. 1, 2, 3. And this is my 2 triangle. 1, 2. So I have 2 triangles, 3 squares, 1 circle, and 4 rectangles. All right? All right, let's turn the page and see page 474 and question number 10. Draw a picture to show your answer. Nina sees a plane shape. It looks like a bike wheel. It looks like a penny. What shape does Nina see? What do you think looks like a wheel or looks like a penny? What's the shape of a penny? Very good. Circle. Circle. So I'm gonna draw a circle. So let's see, what shape does Nina see? She's seeing a circle. And then I can write underneath here, circle. All right. Now let's see question number 11. We'll listen to the question and try to find the right shape that they explain. I am a plane shape. I look like a door. Which shape am I? Look like a door. This is not a door. This is not a door. This is not a door. Rectangle is a door. So we're circling B. Very good. Let's go for question number 12. Draw a picture of a park. Label 2 shapes you know in the object you draw. So you can do anything. For example, let's say you gonna draw in a park what you have. You have the seesaw. So you're gonna say this is the seesaw. So what's that shape? Very good rectangle, so that would be rectangle. And this is triangle. Right? Or you can draw something else. Let's say you can draw a swing that it's like, you know, the tires, and then by chain. So this would be circle. All right? So whatever you like, draw a picture of a park and label two shapes that you know in this in the object you drew. All right? Okay. So as we see, we learned today about identifying plane shapes. We know the circles like a button. We know square like the blocks. We know triangle like the yield sign, and we know a rectangle like a ruler. We also learned two new shapes. Hexagon have 6 sides, and trapezoid. So we learn about the plane shapes, and plane shapes are flat shapes. Plane shapes, hexagons, trapezoid. All right, first graders, that's it. The first lesson for this topic. Thank you. Bye-bye.